Hello, 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 mic testing. Hello guys. So recently I've created one project on Java Swing. It is a hotel management system in which I manage various things in hotel. Now let's take a quick look. Now, so this is the home page of hotel management system. You can see the hotel management system flipping image. I have taken it from Google, so I have no right to use this image, but I'm using it. I don't know why. So now there is a button. So let's enter. So now we got a login page. Login page, we need to enter username and then password. Username password I have defined in my database, which I have used MySQL. I'm logging in. My username is Ritik and password is 12345. So I'm now logging in. So one problem occurs here that I am not running WAMP server. I need to run WAMP server first so that MySQL can start. It takes little bit time. Two of three services running. Yes, now we are good to go. Now again opening hotel management system. This is my home page. Now enter. This is my login page. My user ID Aratik and 12345. After logging in, oh, I again login in. RITIK 12345. Login. So this is our reception menu. So there is welcome. Receptionists are there. So on hotel management, I have reception tab, admin, add employees, add room, add drivers. So I have right to all admin stuff. So that why I can access admin. So let's look out for employees. Employee. So I need to add employees. So I can add employees from here. See when pop-up box came and then I can add employees. So let's employee name is Thanos, and he says is 50. His male job. Let's say housekeeping salary 40,000. Phone number something like this. Okay, Aadhaar number 12 digits. Random something. Email ID thanos@gmail.com. So submit. Yes, new employee added. So how can we see that Thanos is added now? We go to hotel management, reception. Now all employees info, flow data. Where is Thanos? We can see here Thanos 50, male housekeeping job, 40,000 salary, and stuff like this. Thanos at 30. Yes. Now we go to back. We will see this all option later on. Now we will add rooms. For example, room number 1001. Available clean price. It is 4,000 per day. Bed type single. Add room. New room added. Let's again add one room. 1002. Available clean price tag 4,000 only. Add rooms. So now we need to add drivers. I'm just showing you that we can also see this data. Let's driver name is Professor from Money Heist. Professor PRO double. Age of professor, let's say 42. Male, car company he's using age uh, BMW. Tesla. Tesla new model is Model S. PLAID. Location. Let's say Tokyo. Let's say driver. Driver added successfully. Now I will show you the data in reception. So first we will see the all employees. Load data, yes, Thanos is an employee back. Now we have to see the managers. Okay, yes, I am the manager. This and then uh, pickup service, search. There is a driver rooms. Yes, we need to check rooms. So we have added two rooms now. One is 1001 and 1002 available. Clean 4000 single. Okay, then room we have what now? See with driver pickup service submit. Fortuner. Okay, now we have to select the type vehicle. We need model S paid model. So we can see that professor age 42 male Tesla model is paid available Tokyo location. So now this is the all info. Now we need to add a customer. We need that Aadhaar card, passport, driver license. We have all kind of verification. So we will let's select Aadhaar card only. 12 digit 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay. Now the name will be Sherlock Holmes. Gender male. Country US. Room number we need to book 1001 room. Check in. Yes. Deposit, let's say we deposit 2000 amount. Add customer, new customer added. Okay. So we need to now select room. Your data. It's the the room is occupied now. You can see that the data is like updated in the list. Now 1001 room is occupied. Now if we check out from the room, update check status, customer ID, room number, update check. Oh wait a minute. When you select this one Aadhaar, check. So the name 1001, Sherlock Holmes, check in yes, amount paid 2000, pending amount 2000. We have paid 2000 amount before, the total price was room was 4000. Yes, 4000 price, we have paid 2000, so the remaining balance was 2000. Update room status. Update check status. So the room number is 1001, Sherlock Holmes. We need to check out, so update. Okay, so then now we need to pick up services. For example, we need to book a driver. We can also search rooms, single, double, only display available. Like we need single room, only display available. Submit. So the 1002 room is available for now on. We can like add customer, more customer. For example, Aadhaar card. Yes, Aadhaar card. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Name John Quick. Gender male. Country US. Room number 1002. Check in yes. Deposit amount 3000. Add customer. New customer added. Now we can see the room. It will also be occupied for now. So let's go back and then customer info, load data. We have three available customer right now. One is Hulk, one is Sherlock Holmes, one is John Wick. So suppose Sherlock Holmes want to check out, he has stayed. So we will go to checkout. We will select his Aadhaar ID 1001. This is Sherlock Holmes. Checkout successful. Now we will see the customer info. There the Sherlock Holmes has checked out from the hotel. So if we go to room, then load data, there so we can see that room number 1001 is available now. So this is the my like project I've done. Now I'm going to log out successfully. This I can show you my source code from I have made this in Eclipse IDE. If you want to take a look in my source code, I will give the link in the description from my GitHub repository. uh, let's say it's starting, it's taking time. Oh yeah, hotel management system, source, hotel management system. These are the files I've created. update room, update check, many files for connection. I have used con. This is the basic code for the connecting MySQL, MySQL uh, database to Java project. So this is it. My project. This is a hotel management system homepage. I've written this myself. I have taken help from internet. These are my image. Like if you want to see admin, so this is the like login page. I have taken added all image here, so that so this is all my project. I can give you database from, take a look at database from here, MySQL console. Okay, MySQL enter password. Let's increase the size, edit properties, attain. Okay, yes, enter password enter. uh Show DATABS, yes. So this is my databases from which hotel is my database I am using. So use hotel database change show tables. So these are my tables: room, login, employer, driver, department, customer. So let's take a look into customer. Select star from customer. So we can see that Aadhaar, John Wick and Health only are remaining one. So if you want to I want to give you a quick glimpse that it is on the real time. So if I enter this, login again, 1 2 3 4 5, login. Auto management reception, room checkout. So that Hulk want to check out. Sorry, still John Wick want to check out. So it's John Wick checkout successfully. If you go to our database and again select star from customers, John Wick can successfully check out from the hotel. Again, if we like check out Hulk 101 room, checkout successful. Then from the table, there is no customer in the hotel. So this is my project. Clear, all clear. Thank you very much.